Hi everyone, I am BK Glotra. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about rain. When the sky is cloudy, it is full of clouds that you can't see the sun. How would you describe a cloudy day when you are describing cloudy sky? You can use word overcast. An overcast day can be dark, cold or gloomy or just quiet and calm. You can say today it will be dull and overcast or the sky was overcast soon. You can see in this picture the sky is cloudy. It may rain today. Now, here are some phrases that would be helpful to you when you are talking about rain. First one, it's likely to rain today. Second, it's going to rain. Third one, I love rainy days. Now look at some vocabulary related rain. Bolt of lightning. Bolt of lightning is the flash of light you see in the sky. You can say suddenly bolt of light crackled in the sky. Bolt of light is a discharge of light followed by thunder. Crackled is a short sharp noise which you hear after lightning. Next word is puddle. Puddle is a very small pool of usually muddy water. You can see in this picture there is a small pool that is filled with muddy water. You can say, look at that huge puddle. Now, look at the puddle word we use in a sentence. For example, water dripped off her into a puddle at her feet. Next is thunder and lightning. Thunder is a loud sound heard after flash. Lightning is a very bright light in the sky. You can say, when rain came, the sky is blue, there was thunder and lightning. In this picture, you can see a flash that called lightning. Here you can see very bright light in the sky that is called lightning. You can say it was raining and thundering, or the loud thunder gave me a fright. Next word is drizzle. Drizzle means slight rain, or you can say few drops of rain. You can say it's drizzling or it's spitting. You can see in this picture there is a little rain, not raining heavily, so you can use drizzle word, like it's drizzling or it's spitting. Next word is raining. Water falls from cloud in small drops. For example, you can say it's raining or I love rainy days, or you can use idiom. Have you heard this idiom before? You can use idiom raining cats and dogs. It's not really cats and dogs falling from the sky. Okay, it's an idiom that we can use when it's raining heavily. You can use idiom it's raining cats and dog when it's raining heavily. Now you can see in this picture that it is raining heavily, so you can say it's raining cats and dog. It means it's raining heavily. Next word is downpour. You can use word downpour when it's raining heavily. You can say the heavy downpours which began around 7 p.m. yesterday. Downpour means raining heavily. When you are outside, it's raining heavily. You can say, oh, it's like crazy downpour. Next word is drench. Drench means wet thoroughly. Sentence. You can say I am got drenched or soaked. We can use drench when you are completely wet. Probably when you forget to carry an umbrella, so you get drenched. So you can say I am drenched means fully wet. What do we need to protect ourselves from getting wet? What we do? We can carry umbrella or we can wear raincoat and rain boots. Umbrella. How use umbrella in a sentence? It was raining very hard and she had a very large umbrella to keep off the raindrops. Raincoat. We usually wear raincoat to protect ourselves from rain. So the sentence is, the longer the raincoat, the drier you will stay. Next is rain boots. You can say, I stay in my dorm and look at that grey sky. Then I start to regret that I didn't brought one pair of rain boots for myself in India. Thank you everyone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share.